we are ending 2017 with a little bit of a bang. Since it's too cold outside for fireworks, you gotta pour quicker than that, kid. Since it's a little too cold outside for fireworks, we thought we would make a nice volcanic explosion. Pour faster, Liam. Well, okay, you were pouring at the right speed. I lied. Keep going. Whoop. Keep going. Keep going. All right, stand back. Stand back. Oh no! Here it comes! Here it comes!
That is funny. Was it going in a funny way?
What do you mean?
Why is it going in all those funny lines?
You tell me why you think it's going in those funny lines.
Because there's marks in there.
Yep.
Why is it foaming out?
Well, because the citric acid is reacting with the baking soda, and it's causing the Dawn dish soap to foam. Bloop. That was silly. I like that.
Why did it make a big bubble?
Well, because there's pressure inside of the volcano, which is forcing the foam to come out. Yeah, you can touch it. Just don't put it in your mouth or wipe it on your leg or anything anywhere else. It's not a paper towel.
That is so funny.
Yeah, I think next time we're going to use more baking soda
Than that.
for a bigger reaction. Yep.
So it'll go all the way up to the ceiling.
I'd love that. That'd be kind of fun. It's not my ceiling, so I mean, sure.